Hello, Arthur. My name is Charles. Thanks for getting in touch with me on Alignable. I work with Wally Digital. We help local businesses build their online assets and help clients find them. Actually, we, like I said, work with local businesses. So it's going to be a challenge, but I believe I can analyze the website, because the reason I say it's going to be a challenge to analyze the website is because you have more of a national or even international site where you're looking for people to from all over to come to your website, not from necessarily a specific location or city. So it's harder to rank it higher and higher in Google, because you'll be working, or rather, yeah, working against huge national companies. But still, you can still beat them. It will only take more time. For example, if I'm looking for a consultant, or I guess what you do, artist consultant services, perhaps, or art, or artist marketing agency. Um, so these Just to describe what happens when you search for something like this. First thing you'll see are Google ads. Probably Google ads. If the keyword is such that there are, especially if it's local, then you'll see Google ads. Then this part of the search results here is called a map pack. And usually it will take your location. You see, I have not put a location here, but I'm in Philadelphia. So it just automatically grabs my location and puts a few companies right here in front of me. Third thing you'll see are the organic search results. Now, this is your competition, and I'm going to show you why it is a little bit hard to. Let's take a random one. Let's take social media 55, and we'll use that. I'll use that in this video to kind of give a comparison with what you do. So the three things I wanted to give you, three free tips. Use them. Give them to your website person, SEO people. No harm, no foul if you choose not to work with me, but if you're interested in what I have to offer, what I'm showing you, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me. Okay, let's get started. So the three tips I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. These three things, when implemented properly, help you rise over and above your competition. So first thing is content. Content is all the words and even all the text. All the text you see, all the words behind the pictures, what the pictures are even saved as. For example, this is just saved as download 1, and this picture is saved as, I guess, download again. So it's important to save your pictures and saturate all your text with keywords, with these buyer intent keywords. For example, that search I had done earlier, what did I write down? Let me get here. Now, this artist marketing agency, that's a specific keyword. It's important to saturate your site with these keywords that you think will put you in front of your target clients or audiences. There are different tools out there to analyze keywords. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my tool that I use. It's Ahrefs, called Ahrefs. It's a popular tool, and I can tell about 30 people search for that one term per month. If I hit search suggestions, it'll give me other keywords that are similar, like artist marketing. More people search for that per month. If I click on the actual tool, and I can see the traffic share for that one website. So let's look at another competitor of yours who get 2 people because of just that one keyword. You could have many keywords. So let's overview their site and look at their keywords. Now, it's a national site, so I'm sure you wouldn't really see locations within the keywords. So I can tell, let's arrange these by volume, and you can tell For example, artist for sale, singular, or let's take a general. uh, all these are keywords, and I'm just trying to see one that, okay, artist grants, that might, or resume for an artist. About 2,300 people, I mean, yeah, 2,300 people search for all of these per month. They're getting almost no traffic because they don't rank high, except for here. You can see they get 7 people coming from this one search because they're in position 7, which is on the second page of Google. Let's see what keywords they rank for. So they're getting all of this traffic because of they're in the first position for all of these keywords. So they're getting quite a bit of traffic. So it's important to identify your competition's keywords. Make sure you saturate them on your page. Another thing with content, to optimize with Google, it's important to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text saturated with those keywords. Authoritative meaning shows exactly what you do, who you are, services you provide, locations you do this at, etc. So that Google knows you're an authority to put you in front of the searches. So the second thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, citations are anywhere that your name, address, and phone number appear on different directories on the internet. The more citations you have, the higher quality citations, the higher you'll rank in this map pack area that I talked about. By directories, I mean directories like Better Business Bureau, Yelp, LinkedIn, Superpages, whitepages.com, yellowpages.com, etc. Higher quality, more of them, higher you'll rank in this map pack. Third thing I want to talk about are backlinks. Now, backlinks have to do with this area here. Backlinks are anywhere on a different website that drives traffic to you. So if there's a link on a different website that's driving traffic to you, that's a backlink. Not all backlinks are created equal. If a Pizza Hut is linking to you, that Google doesn't see that as strong as if like this music promotion site is linking to you. So with the same tool, I can analyze. Let's come back to your competition. I can analyze their site and look at the backlinks that they have. And as that's loading, I'm going to look at your site. Here you have about 37 backlinks from 13 domains. I can go in and find out which sites are linking to you. I'm not sure why Ethiopian News Today. I'm not sure why this site is linking to you. And like I said, not all backlinks are created equal. So Google is probably looking at this and thinking that that is a spammy backlink that you have. So back to your competitor. Let's look at their backlink profile. First thing I want to say, they do have a lot, but on a scale of 0 to 100, you can see most of theirs are lower quality. So it's incumbent to come to your competition, look at their backlinks, and make sure you match them, and even have probably beat them by 100 or 200 backlinks if you can. Now, like you'll see, this, I'm not sure what site this is, but this is one of your competition's backlinks. So you don't even have to match their backlinks, because as long as you have high quality backlinks, then you'll be able to beat them over time. But like I said, these are national searches. Like what you do is national, so it will take much longer time. You can also analyze their keywords and make sure you include the keywords with higher traffic that are easier to beat, so that you stay on top of your competition. We just looked at that. All right, so thank you, Arthur. Those are the 3 things I wanted to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. Make sure you can implement them and start to rank higher and higher for certain Google searches, so that your competition can so that your potential clients can see you and hopefully come to your site and start to partner with you. Thank you very much, and have a great day, Arthur.